One of the more common areas of confusion amongst my breast augmentation patients is with the question of projection. What does projection mean? How does it relate to the implant size? When someone comes in asking me for a pair of 450cc implants, I have to explain to them that 450cc's is available in multiple different sizes based on the projection. The projection specifically is the amount that an implant essentially sits off the table. So the higher the projection, the taller the implant is going to be. I've lined up 3 implants here, all of them about 450 grams of silicone. When we look from above, you can see that the dimensions of these implants are also completely different. The diameter of the circle is what we refer to as base width. So you can see with the moderate profile here, in order to get 450 grams of silicone into there, it has to be wider than an extra high projection implant, for example, where the same amount of silicone is going to sit higher off the table but be narrower in the base. So for example, this moderate profile implant has a base width of 13.5 centimeters, whereas the extra full projection implant has a base width of 12 centimeters. So there's a full 1.5 centimeter difference between those two. When we look at the implants from the side, we can really see the difference in projection. Over on the left is a moderate profile, which has a projection of 4.5 centimeters. And then all the way over on the right, we have the extra full projection, which has a projection of 6 centimeters. So that one sits a full 1.5 centimeters taller than the moderate projection, and in between we have the full projection with about 5 centimeters of projection. Now that you understand a little bit about base width and projection, you can see why a 450cc implant isn't just a 450cc implant. There's a lot more involved.